There is a lady on social media called Ama Governor. Now, for people who don't know her, my video and Maka the reaction on the removal of Gertrude Torkornoo. Oko her video now better as the entire lady no ni niaje say Gertrude Torkornoo ye removing no. The lady is also trying to push another agenda. Now we will go through it and see say agenda now will push you know. You're right, and I say you're right. As I say, lawyers are now divided over the way forward for Gertrude Torkornoo. Now, my main muna tias now that she has been removed as the Chief Justice, no, some lawyers are saying, say, well, she can still go back to the Supreme Court and now still be a judge. Lawyers need be in some more canon, say, ye ne free her as a Chief Justice, no. And then say still on to me konko Supreme Court judge. That's what the lawyers are saying, because it looks like the Constitution didn't really specifically speak about it. Say ye nipa koni wia ebia eni kwanso ye Supreme Court judge biom wanka. Nti ebi mo say still obetumi akwa akoye na ejuma as Supreme Court judge. Ebi mo so say dabi Chief Justice na wobabe dane ye no. Eye due to the fact say na oye Supreme Court judge. Nti sende ye yi no ni atre say enso eni ni ye yi ne free as Chief Justice a. That same misbehavior any betumi di anam so eyi no as Supreme Court judge. Nti si eyi no as Chief Justice and atre say directly ne was eyi no as Supreme Court judge. Ebi mu so ensem no. Nti no divided. Now we don't know what's going to happen. But the fact of the matter is say every single judge in this country, Ghana, answer no better than a judge, and answer no better license or be a judge, no, or law license, okita license as a lawyer, because I was so better than a lawyer, and son or than a judge. Inti ma menene de still, ne license as a lawyer no, still obekra. Ne no na lady ya friend ama governor. Send ya make no say who tie me na who nim lady ya friend ama governor na who nim the story why she's rejoicing over the removal of Chief Justice. Now, I have done a video explaining in its entirety or entirely explaining it. Why ono niniaje? Because ono no or babe than a lawyer no and amami so ena chese e babe yen sembebre. Intiende ama governor babe trega na mremu a wo tre say omo a wo mo petition say yenyi Chief Justice no. They need to go further. Na further ne say sisi ano e wo say wo mo sanso petition na maame no ye gene license as a lawyer. It's in a law license no e wo say ye different in sem. Yanko ni nkonko widi ensem a lady ka ne hu ne say de work no e wo Ghana mremu ana say enye sa. O say meba say asemwa okay. I see, note, so this is what she said. Note to anonymous General Legal Counsel petitioners, aka concerned citizens of Ghana. Here is some free legal advice from your favorite lawyer. Inti ono ama governor no. Emrana Gertrude Torkornoo eye head of the General Legal Counsel no. Yekoko petition wamo anonymously. Say momo ma wono ama governor no mbambe dane lawyer because of the entire bia no wo share with social media. Nti ende ama governor throw note amasa ankrofo no say ejuma na nsiye se mode ye media ene ma mi nso monsan fan. For just give me 1 minute of your time. Let me interrupt with this very important notice. So wo heme na opese o reduce a year wefu from this level to this level. Very simple. Nyama miensa na wo say oye. Eto de bia ya na nkrofo bebre eka se edro bi ebetumi ama wefu akofom eyentro edro bi eni ho ebetumi ayesa na wa wotie mi wato edro sa we hu se wanom enye hwe na nyama miensa no media atro book enkrata obrone se opese osie bibi from bibinia fashe book mu nti nyama miensa no media atro book mi ameti he na mefuso enyama me ye ma mefu ekofom within 3 months pe nti book no pe bia on your screen, obetumi click any of the icons na wape book no. And as a link na wa comment box the must say no. o click here be another page into page we no mostly no a mobile money na be use o pay hard copy of the book na wa click here so wo pay book no wo phone so na wa click here so wo pay video yankasa ye kenkan book na ma na we for wo mo a wo mo ni ma kenkan na eno so wa click wo benya video ni to tia through mobile money na wenya video no ana wenya book no na uye we ni na still on sanka book no ana wetua ka wi na still on sanka book na o ya ade we na still unya kwan enya book na don't worry call the number and say message 055 807 4986 055 807 4986 o messages our number na obenya book no na aside the fact say if ukese enye fe no yesi Ghana for yare a ekum Ghana for dodo na te say stroke BP akoma yare diabetes na nyama no nini na no fukese ene deba na ya na nsem wo ya America no asem America no say the teenager ho enonim nti se wutie me na wefusu na wo hospital ko ye tester ya na bia ye ka tro say cholesterol ye high dodo na no fukese no ene ekose nti se wutie me na person we see the size of your stomach very simple. Get the book as I've shown you in the video. Mama yentie ye mame baako ne testimony a wode aba just after a year buying the book and doing the things in the book.
Yeah, melodies. Only me na me pesa me kasa. Me swat to the extent say me na fufu nyina complain say senior me swat no enye fine. Emfata me look like before. And no say me numa drubi a minyai me bibi a minyai na emfata me entare aya me hye nyina ya kesa wo.
So this is a very good problem to have. Say osobeti na nkrofo ehu ne say senya oso ati de ebia na ofe drubi me si drubi eni ho enyama na wo book ni mu a na eno ano no yentia story no eso konko ye no. I say, the former CJ, who is now only a lawyer, can have her legal license taken away for probably the same grounds on which she was removed as CJ. Food for thought. It was say, Chief Justice Nsisiano, onye judge biom, or ye only lawyer, or still a worker and a law certificate. It is Sisiano, e was a wobi, a koko petition General Legal Counsel, near Jema no. With the same issues are ye removing as Chief Justice no. Yanko petition the General Legal Counsel ni enje mame na law certificate in free nsem. That's what Ama Governor is saying. Right? Into hono Bibeka say, I beg, it is all right. Do you want to kill her? To Bibeka tre Ama Governor say, yeah. Hey, wait dear, mame ni ye as Chief Justice and no. He said don't see you kuno kwata. And Ama Governor be respond or say, oh boss, never that. But if I could survive her attempts to keep me from becoming a lawyer, she can survive all attempts to take away her legal license as a lawyer. But in license there, then for collectam, technical prowess is insufficient. See section 16A of Act 32. Te wana ama government be catch ni back on say dabi or the year me no me better than a lawyer no ma me ne the year me nanso nyame nti ama governor anka nyame nti me na me de kan but me survive ye or the year me send akon ma me na ne lawyer da but me survive ye it is a true ne so a ono nso won face ni ehwe so be survive ana ti ho na ama governor ba be tre emre mu a wo tre se enye se your time no de kasa na eyembra ben eni or see erasure from role for misconduct into lawyers for a Ghana ha embra ye did bu omoso any or see 1 a lawyer who has been guilty of grave misconduct in a professional respect, including any conduct which in pursuance of rules made by the General Legal Counsel under this part is to be treated as grave misconduct in a professional respect, shall be liable to have his name struck off the roll of lawyers or to be prohibited from practicing as a lawyer for a period specified in the order suspending him. Section 9 of this act applies to a lawyer who is prohibited under this section from practicing as it applies to a person who is not enrolled. Now, Orion no say erasure from roll on conviction of certain offences. The General Legal Counsel may direct the the Judicial Secretary to strike off the roll of lawyers without the holding of a disciplinary inquiry the name of any lawyer who has been convicted of an offence involving dishonesty or moral turpitude, and the Judicial Secretary shall comply with any such direction, provided that the Judicial Secretary shall not erase the name of a lawyer from the roll under this paragraph, unless the period allowed, if any, within which the lawyer concerned may lodge an appeal against his conviction has expired without his lodging an appeal, or if any such appeal was lodged by him until the appeal has been finally disposed of or withdrawn or abandoned, as inserted by Legal Profession Act amended decree 1969 NLCD 338 1A. Inti basically no, ama governor ba betre embra edi lawyers for so Ghana ha etre se eku a behwe lawyers for so a the General Legal Counsel no omo betumi a direct the Judicial Secretary say yenyi lawyer bi din emfree the list of lawyers mu, the roll of lawyers ye ka roll and atre se edin a etre se enkrofo on se lawyers ni na no lawyers ku ni na mo odin e wo Ghana ha enti yenyi nipa kro ni din emfree lawyers for din e wo Ghana. The name of any lawyer who has been convicted into lawyer bia yaya investigations etiano ye hu ne se lawyer no we di bone any kwan po say General Legal Counsel no beka se ye hwehwe lawyer no ne nsam. I hope you understand. Or see, the General Legal Counsel may direct the Judicial Secretary to strike off the roll of lawyers without the holding of a disciplinary inquiry. It's the General Legal Counsel no ombetumi direct the Judicial Secretary say yan counsel lawyer be din emfree the list of lawyers mu ewo krom ha mayen bisa lawyer ne mpo asem say ye ko hu ne say lawyer ne di bone ana other investigations be akoso ama ye hu ne say indeed lawyer no we di bone eti o man na mayen tena sim bisa na asem mpo yan counsel ne din yan gene license emfree ne nsem enti ama governor wo hwe nensemu a woka na tre se was say engrofo sha se omo petition the General Legal Counsel no na Mame Torkornoo ya gene license free nsem. Anyway, I don't know what you think, but montre mo adwen comment box ni mo.